The Smart WashCombo features 2 combo wash and dry cycles, 3 dry cycles, and 30 wash cycles. To add or remove cycles from the main menu, select the Options settings on the control panel and scroll to Cycle List Edit. In this menu, you can see all available cycles on the appliance. The circle next to the cycle will be blue if it is currently available on the home screen. Simply scroll to view additional options and press the checkmark to add or remove a cycle to the list. To save your selection, press the return arrow button. Your changes have now been applied on the home screen. The normal and tub clean cycles are not editable. To edit the cycle list in the LG ThinQ app, select the Useful Features tab and then select Manage Cycle. Next, select the pencil icon in the upper right corner to open the cycle list edit screen. Tap on the cycles to add or remove them from the cycle list. Then press Save. You are able to manually edit the cycle order as well. To do this, you need to turn off the cycle optimization feature. Scroll to Additional Settings and then to Cycle Optimization. Cycle Optimization automatically adjusts the order of the cycle list to put the most frequently used cycles first. To turn off Cycle Optimization using the app, select the Settings menu in the upper right-hand corner of the app screen and use the slider to turn Cycle Optimization on or off. To change the cycle order, return to the Settings screen and select Manage Cycle. Then, select the icon in the upper right corner to edit the order. If cycle optimization is still turned on, you will be prompted to turn it off. You can now select and drag the cycles to arrange them in your preferred order. Press Save to save the changes. To download additional cycles, select the plus icon in the Manage Cycle screen. Select from the available cycles and press Add.